The essential workers really who still have to be outside during these hazardous air conditions. Natasha has more on the latest.
We've seen tiny, and I mean minuscule, changes to our air quality, especially in the valley. At the coast, it's been more dramatic. But take a look at this wide map all the way out past Great Falls, Montana. Even out to Billings, we have the unhealthy air quality, so that smoke will continue to spread out across the states and eventually make its way to the upper Midwest here in about a day or two. Looking at our valley, though, we are still dealing with the air quality conditions anywhere from hazardous to very unhealthy. So you might go from the category of hazardous to very unhealthy, eventually making the way down to the unhealthy category in general. This is not fantastic, but we'll take what we can get at this point. Noticing at the coastline out towards Coos Bay, we have the good category. That's one big celebration. Up towards Seattle, you have the unhealthy air category. Not much better out towards northeast Oregon. Right around as you get out to John Day, we're seeing the unhealthy air category there. Boise, right around unhealthy for sensitive groups. You can see the overall theme is things aren't looking so fantastic unless you are at the immediate coastline. Temperatures, why I want to bring this up is because take a look at what we were seeing before the wildfires began to really get closer to the Willamette Valley. What we were seeing are temperatures in the upper 80s, some low 90s in the mix. Then the wildfires came, those east winds blew through, and then guess what happened when that smoke started filling into the valley? Our daytime highs, we lost more than 20 degrees in less than 24 hours. Daytime highs have been in the mid 60s. Yesterday we did reach 74. Today we're at 74 degrees. So a couple things. This is when the smoke was extra thick, not letting any sunlight through. Yesterday and today, we are starting to see our upper level winds kind of mix things out just enough that you could actually make out that there is a sun out there, but not clearing out the smoke just yet. If it weren't for the smoke, our temperatures right now would easily be in the mid to upper 80s. Let's take a look at that smoke forecast again, remembering that this model is by far from perfect. In fact, it's been failing us a few times. The air quality alert is in effect at least through Thursday, but let's put this map in motion. Notice your winds at the surface. We want to pay attention to that. Here we go into Wednesday. Thursday, we're starting to see that smoke wrap around the area of low pressure that's going to be bringing us some rain inland. Then it pushes that smoke offshore, pushes it right back. You get the picture. This smoke is going all over the place. I mean, all over the place. So here we go all the way to next Tuesday. Small improvements happening for us along the coast, but see how that smoke is still stuck, at least on the eastern side of the valley and across the rest of the state and spreading all the way out beyond Montana. So we'll be talking more about this coming up a little bit later and on KOIN.com. More on your 7-day forecast after the break. KOIN 6 News. We'll be right back.